Hi guys, today it's me, Ben, and Cole, and my friend Cole here.
Hey guys.
And we're on Sculpt GL. It's a pretty cool website where you can you can mess with clay and add clay and sculpt stuff. And so to restart, you just click clear scene and then you click add sphere. And to move around to look at like the back of something or the front of something, you just right click and drag and pull. And the cool thing with Sculpt GL is see how I have one red dot with a circle and one red dot with just a dot? It does it in both spots. So if I do let's say drag, then it will drag on both sides. See how that works? So it's pretty cool, and we'll show you how to do some
styles. We'll try to make Baby Yoda, maybe.
Yeah, we might try and make Baby Yoda. We're just going to try and show you how to do some stuff. We haven't done much in here, but we'll try our best.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to get in 5 minutes.
Yeah, so
let's start off Baby Yoda right now.
Or let's start off not so hard. Let's start off just making
a face. Let's make a face.
Or okay. So to make say you're going to make a cat face, you can just grab up in a top corner and pull. Oh, and I'm facing the wrong way. And then you can pull, and that's actually pretty good.
Ears.
Yeah, those are kind of like puppy ears, and they're kind of too far forwards.
It's fine. It's good.
Whatever. Now they're just weird. But see, we're really bad at this, but I'm sure that you can get better than us because we haven't done this much.
This is like our second day on this website.
Not even. This is our second time on this website.
First time we saw it was last night.
Yeah, so if we do inflate, we can add some depth to the cat, I guess. And we can make a triangle nose. Sort of.
Just a nose.
And then we can add some depth. And it looks real weird right now, but if we come to our tools and we go to paint, we can choose our color. Let's say we want a red cat, or apparently a pink. Here, let's do a orange cat right here, or yellow, an orange-ish cat, and then we can just paint all over it.
Looks like an orangish brownish.
Yeah. And
don't forget the top, really, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a tutorial.
Yeah, so we're just showing you how to paint and stuff. We don't actually need to paint all of this. And so you have all these tools, and I'll let Cole show you some more tools.
Alrighty, so have we done crease yet?
No. Crease is really cool, though.
Alright, let's do crease. Honestly, where is it? Oh, there it is. Let's crease. Oh, yeah, see? It just makes it smaller. Okay, it looks like a... Alright, and let's give the radius even higher. Let's just see what it looks like higher. Alright, it makes it smaller, right? Now let's make it lowest. Alright, and just as creases, alright?
So you could crease on a forehead if say you're sculpting an old man or something. You could there's very annoying people over with music, but you could say you're making an old man. You could go on their forehead and do creases, and then it would have wrinkles. Or if you're doing Baby Yoda, you could make the creases a little deeper and thicker.
As you could tell, on the other side, it does creases too. So
yeah, and then for Baby Yoda, you'd make the creases bigger and deeper,
squares,
and then just go all around it. And yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, so
pretty easy to use, pretty easy to learn.
Clear this scene. Oh, add sphere or whatever.
No, clear. Okay. No, you gotta clear it and then add sphere.
Yeah, add sphere. That's right. My bad. So let's use sensitivity. Where's how much? All right. So
17 seconds.
Now let's go up. All right. It's just the same. Now let's go down and let's crease that.
All right. So that's pretty much gonna be all for today.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah,
so thank you for watching.
Base.
Subscribe.